Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problems, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. You can turn off your phone, and if it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.